Hello guys and welcome back. So now let's create the bottom content here. Okay, so for that, again, we're going to create a separate widget to show the bottom items here. Okay, so let's go on the widget, right click and then new file. Okay, so this one, let's also create a stateless widget. So I'm gonna say bottom. I'm just gonna name them bottom content. Okay, yeah, bottom content dot dat. I did not come up with a proper name for that. Let's click that and then let's create a stateless widget called bottom content. All right, so this bottom content will also require this dot wallpaper, and then we also require this dot uid. Of course, we need to pass the uid. Okay, so now let's initialize this wallpaper. So the wallpaper is not a string, it's going to be the wallpaper from the wallpaper class. Okay, so now this bottom content, of course, we want to position it in the bottom, because if we come here, the wallpaper detail screen, this is a stack. We want to position this at the bottom. Okay, so let's come back here, which means here we need to return a positioned widget. Okay, positioned widget. Now here what we want to do is left is going to be, okay, bottom is going to be 0, left is 0, and then right 0, so that it goes to the bottom. Then we're going to return a container. Now in this container, first let's add, okay, some padding. So constant of edge insets. I think let's not add the symmetric, so let's remove all of that, then close it out like this. Let's say or what is the problem here? Okay, constant edge insets dot o. Okay, what am I missing here? We need to put 6.0. I need to put the padding here. Okay, just like that. Now here let's have a child of a column which is going to have children, and then here first let's have the cross-axis alignment for these children. Okay, up here we have a cross-axis alignment dot start, and then the first child here is going to be the name of the wallpaper. So text, which is going to come from wallpaper dot name. Okay, and then we are going to make the style like that. So let me just go through this style and see if I like it. So the color is going to be white, which is correct, and then the font size, maybe let's keep it bigger, like 24, and then the font weight dot border, I think I like that, is fine. Okay, now after this we want to add also the category of this wallpaper to show the category. So I'm going to copy that and then paste it here. Now what I would do is for the category, I'm just going to change a style a bit. Okay, I'm not going to put all of these. Let's just put the color. Okay, white, something like white 70, and then I'm going to remove all of these. Okay, and then that's it. Then right after the category, I'm going to put constant of sized box dot height, and then something like 8, and then here I need to put the prompt. Okay, so for the prompt, I think I have to create a separate widget for the prompt, but because it's going to be a bit advanced. Okay, right now if we hot reload, okay, let's go to the profile detail and then show our bottom content. Bottom, what did we name it again? Yeah, okay, it's supposed to be bottom content. I'm gonna rename it. I think I've the typo here. Okay, so even here I've had a typo. Let's say bottom content. Okay, now here let's go our bottom content, which is going to be that. Okay, now if we hot reload, you can see that already we are showing these two things. Okay, great. Let's come back here. Now for the prompt, what I want to do is actually to create a separate widget, because you can have a long prompt which we don't want to have also multiple lines, so we want to use our read more widget. Okay, so let's create a widget for the prompt. Okay, so let's come to the widgets and then right click, and then here let's new file, let's call this prompt widget dot dat. Okay, so this one is also going to be a stateless widget, prompt widget. Let's go ahead and create this widget. So here first we are going to pass the required prompt here, then we're gonna get it like that, and then here now let's return a column. Okay, column. So this column is going to have children. So also here the cross-axis alignment dot start. Then the first child is going to be the constant of text. So in this text we're just gonna say prompt, just to share that it's a prompt. Then let's also give this set style, which comes from text style. The color, we want to say colors dot white, also 70, and then font size, let's give it 16, and then the font weight, let's font weight, okay, yeah, font weight dot bold. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be like that. Now next, after that one, we want to get our read more text. Okay, next after this, we don't even want to put the size box. Let's just get our read more text, which is going to take a prompt as a text, and then the rest we can have it show the same things like that one. So where did we get show read more? We can just go ahead and copy that user info screen. This one here, we can copy everything here, copy that, and then coming into our prompt widget and put these here. Okay, we don't want to waste time here. And then right after this read more, we can have a constant of size box now of 16. Okay, so yeah, just like this, we can go ahead and save this. This is going to be our prompt widget. Now if we come here, after this one, we're going to have a prompt widget, which we will pass a prompt, which will come from wallpaper dot prompt. Okay, let's go ahead and hot reload. Now you can see that we are passing a prompt here. Okay, I don't know why we are not passing a prompt, so let's go back, then come back here. Okay, so where is the prompt for this widget? Let's see, is something that we are missing here. So let's go back in this widget. Okay, so let's see, I think it's the color here. So here let's come from text style, then have a colors dot white. Okay, maybe white 70, and let's put a constant keyword here. Let's hot reload. All right, there is our prompt here. Okay, it wasn't showing. Okay, so now we have that, and then we also have the prompt here. Next is to show the pattern. Okay, so also for the prompt, we need to be careful, because if it's the user's upload, they don't, because the prompt will always be there if it is AI generated. Okay, But if it is not AI generated, we will never have a prompt here. So what we want to do is why we have put this as a separate widget, because here we want to check, okay? We want to have a check if wallpaper dot prompt dot is empty. We want to show the constant of sized box, okay? Sized box, else we want to show the prompt, okay? So this won't change anything, it will just show. But if the wallpaper has no prompt, this will not show. This widget will not show. So right after this, let's show now the buttons, okay? So here after the prompt here, we can put a comma. And then what we can do is just show the main app button. And then the icon, you're gonna say icons dot image, and then the label we're gonna say set wallpaper, and then on pressed we know that to do what we're gonna do, implement set wallpaper, okay? That's what we're gonna do here. Now this one we're gonna put some background color, okay? So let's put background color. So background color is going to be colors dot orange, let's call orange accent, and then text color, I'm going to say colors dot white, okay? So that's gonna be that button. And then we're gonna just copy this size box over here. Let's remove a comma here so that it's straight. So right after this one, let's paste another size box, and then we simply just gonna copy this button, and then after this size box, and then paste it again. So this other button is going to be, actually this is the one which is going to be the set wallpaper. This one on top we're going to say download, okay? Download like that, okay? Now for the icon here we want to say download download outlined like that. And then what do we need to do here? Okay, maybe for the download we don't need to put even these colors, okay? Let's remove that, okay? So just after that we're gonna again copy this sized box right after this button, and then put 16, because down here we need to say, we need to put creator creator's name and image, okay? So let's save this. Now you can see that we have these two buttons, download and set as wallpaper, okay? We are almost there. Now we just need to put the creators data down there, and then we will be almost done. I think we will be done with the UI part in the wallpaper details screen, okay? So let's quickly create that creators widget down here. So also that one, let's create a separate widget. I'm gonna right click here, new file, and name it creator. I'm just gonna name it creator widget, okay? That, okay? So this is also going to be a stateless widget. It's going to be a creator widget, okay? So here let's also require this load creator. Now we're gonna say creator ID, okay? That's all we need to pass here so that we can read this data in Firestore. Final string creator ID. Now here all we have to do is to return an inkware widget. Then on top we're gonna navigate to creator's profile, navigate to creators profile on top. So let's close it out. Now here we just need to return a child, which is going to have a row. Okay, like that. Okay, so the child is going to have a row with a circle avatar. So this radius, let's have 22 here, and then the background, so let's remove. Okay, this we have already done it. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. We're going to have icon. Okay, I'm not gonna waste time here. Let's go to the profile info section and then copy this. Okay, because that's what we're going to do here. We're gonna paste that, and then here let's maybe 22 here, and then yeah, just that. And then for the name here, let's put a constant keyword. So all the creators here, we're going to have the creator name. So for now, I'm just going to be the creator of everything. Okay, and then the text style, we are going to have the color of white. Okay, now if we go back to the bottom field here, we're going to call our creator widget. Okay, and then the creator ID is going to come from the UID. Oh, okay, no, it's going to come from wallpaper dot creator ID. Okay, now if we hold reload, we're going to have the creator data down there. Okay, so that's it. This is going to be the UI for our profile, wallpaper details. If we come out, if we go to any of these, we're going to read the data like that. Come out, we go to any of these, we're going to read the data like that. Okay, so yeah, maybe the like button, I think it's okay. So that's it, guys. Next we are going to work in the UI of the create image. Okay, right now we are done with the UI of the wallpaper detail screen, but I think the like button needs some touch here. Okay, anyway, I think it's fine. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's it in the wallpaper details screen, guys. For now, the UI is done. So if you like this video, guys, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.